Ngayon, Tuesday. Good morning guys, today is Tuesday, September 3rd na. Nagka-allergy ako. Hopefully, mawawala ito agad kasi last week ang daming mga students din na nagka-ubo ba. And kagabi, buti na lang nagpa-ano ako kajila kagabi, nagpa-lagay ng yung Efficacent. And meron kaming ano ngayon. So yung school namin, meron silang parang newsletter. Ito. Nilalagay nila lahat yung mga what's going on ba sa Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Dito. Gumagawa din ako ng newsletter para sa mga students ko. Ando. Pakita ko sa yung newsletter. Yan. Every week gumagawa ko ng ganito. Simple lang siya na para ma-update yung parents nila at saka yung mga students, alam nila ng mga focus namin, what's upcoming, mga reminder, ganun lang. So, yeah. Nagpa-print ako ng homework. One-sided, two-sided. Para isang paper lang, and then 20 students. Good morning guys, today is Wednesday, September 4th na. And tomorrow is yung first observation ko. So maybe mamayang hapon I'm gonna i-prepare ko lahat ng lesson ko. Hopefully hindi maubos yung boses ko kasi parang na ano yung boses ko. Good morning guys, today is Thursday. And then meron akong observation today. Nakipag-usap na ako sa assistant principal. Tapos madali lang yung pre-conference namin, mga 10 minutes tapos na. Lagay ko lang ito sa ano kasi empty pa yung reading ko. Bulletin. Yung lesson ko today is about moral of the story or the theme, the message. Tapos reading yung in-observe. Usually, I like math kasi mas madali yung math kibali ituro. Pero this time, gusto ko yung reading para makakuha ako ng feedback sa assistant principal ko kung ano yung kailangan i-improve ko as a teacher. Parang ganun lang ba? Mga constructive feedback kasi malalaman yung weakness kasi pag tayo lang nagtuturo parang para sa atin we did good, we did great, pero hindi natin nakikita yung mga mistakes natin, mga dapat i-improve pa. So that's why reading yung pinili ko. Hopefully meron akong glows and then meron din akong grows, yung mga need ko kailangan ni master in the future. Tapos ito yung screen or tawag ito TV na touch screen. Dito ko nilalagay yung mga slides. Ginagamit ko ito para sa presentation, malaking TV. Pero usually minsan lang ako nagsistay dito sa front. Usually andun ako sa likod or sa gilid, depende lang. Yan, nalagay ko na rin kahapon yung learning intentions and success criteria. So, ito yung theme nila. Ito yung hinahanap talaga sa pag nag-observe sila, hinahanap talaga ito nila. Yung learning intention, anong intention mo for today? Tapos, ano yung success criteria na at the end of the lesson, yung students are the students will be able to this and that. Nagpabili rin ako kay Gila kagabi ng pumunta sila sa Costco. Variety. Para sa mga bata. Mas grabe talaga yung last year, guys, kasi yung school namin last year, it's a PD school, meaning Professional Development School. So, every morning, nagbi-meeting kami. Every morning talaga yan. We're learning. Meron kaming professional development. Tapos, sa klase ko, pinasok ako like almost more than 4 times a month. Hindi naman siya, formal observation. Informal siya. Meaning, yung mga strategist, pumapasok sila, tinitingnan yung lesson mo, nagbibigay sila ng feedback. Maganda yung ito yung glow mo. Oh, wow, you did this. Something you can do next time. Nagbibigay sila. So, last year, yung school ko talaga last year, para siyang training ground for me. And I was so happy na doon ako nag-first year ko dito sa Las Vegas kasi I learned a lot. Sa system nila dito sa Nevada. It's very different compared sa Maryland. Basta ang dami kong natutunan last year sa Pittman, and it's just a great school to learn from. And then this year dito sa bago kong school, more on laid back type na school na, you know what you're doing, so we trust you. We still want you to follow lahat ng mga kailangan mo gawin, pero hindi na sila nag-observe palagi, like once a week, twice a week. Parang pinababayaan ka lang, pero you are still expected to do what you're supposed to do. Parang ganun ba? So, maganda rin kasi wala kaming meeting dito every morning. Sometimes lang, like once a week. And that's about it. So, ang nakaganda din sa TV na yan, meron akong keyboard. Nako-control ko siya. Yan. Open ako ng tab. Kaya pag nagtuturo ako, nag-circle around ko using this. Kasi nako-control ko lang siya. Ganyan. Mas easy siya i-navigate, and I don't have to tayo doon palagi kasi just not my style. Gusto ko yung going around, circling around, kasi more intentional siya. Yung students are more engaged pag you're moving around, circling around, as opposed to na in one spot ka lang. They will take advantage sa mga ganun. Malayo si Mr. Gabriel, hindi nakatingin. Nagde-develop ng habits na I can get away with something, by doing some, I don't know, yung ginagawa nila. Pero pag nagsi-circle around ako, it's very helpful. Yung students are on guard, parang ganun sila. Nandun sa specials yung mga bata. Tapos na yung observation ko. Yung assistant principal, pumasok siya ng around 9:15. Tapos lumabas siya mga 9:30, so 9:35. So mga about 20 minutes. Andali lang. Yung schedule is 1 hour, pero saglit lang siya. It was great. Students were engaged. And hello guys.
Hi guys. Please comment and subscribe.
Mr. Nabarosa.
I'm Donald Nabarosa from Asin City, Southern Leyte, Bisaya.
So nagturo siya sa school ko dati nung elementary pa ako.
Pero hindi tayo nag-abot, di ba?
No, nakita kita sa sa mga deaf yun, di ba? Ano siya tawagan na to? Special ed ba?
Sa hearing impaired class. What grade were you then?
Ha? Grade 5. No, grade 3.
Grade 3. Okay.
Or 4. Basta malate pa ako. So, andito na kami magkasama.
Yeah, I'm happy to be working with Jade. Okay. Please comment and subscribe below.
Comment and subscribe below. Ang grade niya, guys, is...
Okay, please follow me in Facebook.
3rd grade.
Donald Amabella, Justin Nabarosa. I need 5K followers. I'm in 4.2. So I need more followers to make it to 5K.
So nagre-reels din siya sa Facebook, guys. Yung Facebook niya. Ano ba yun ulit?
Donald Amabilia Dustin Nabarosa.
Oh, yun.
Friend kami ni Jade.
Friend kami. So, nakita ko na sila guys nung bata pa ako in Maasin. And ito yung asawa niya, si Mrs. Nabarosa. Sige, bye-bye.
A. E. E. Snitch.
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 Good job.
O. Flip.
Good job.
Duck. Duck. Duck.
D.
D. G. G. Duck. Duck.
D.
D.
G.
G. Dog.
Dog. Good job.
Dog.
Dog.
G. Fog.
Fog. Good job.
Smog. Smog.
Smog. Good job. You're getting it.
Log.
Log. Good job.
Oh. Clock.
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 Good job.
Shut.
Shut.
Shut. Mat. Mat. Mat.
Mud.
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 A says. E says. I says. O says. O says. O says. U says. Good job. ¿Entendió? Aprende a leer todos los días.
Todos los días.
Todos los días. Habla inglés
Todos los días.
al tiempo. ¿Ok?
Todo el tiempo.
Todos los días. ¿Hiciste tu tarea? Ok. Práctica. Tu mamá, papá. Ok. Ok.
My house?
Sí. May microphone dito sa room ko. Hello. Hello. Hello, my test. Hello. Ito rin, microphone ito. Hello, hello. Hello. Hindi siya masyadong malakas. Hello. Hindi ko pa ito nagamit eh. Mic in. Ano ibig sabihin ito? Mic in. Hello. Select. Hello, 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 hello. Mic na lang. Hello. Alright, let's do it. Mic test, hello. Hello, hello. Today we're gonna play 357. Whoever can beat me, what do you want to get?
Treasure box.
Alright, treasure box.
Treasure
Eight
box.
people beat me.
Robux.
The game, how it works. The last person to take the circle, what? Loses. Alright, who wants to go first?
Me? No, I haven't gone yet. I've literally been begging.
Alright, Carlos.
Carlos Coco.
Right here. Don't take the video of Carlos.
Okay.
Alright, Carlos, you want me to go first or you first? Okay. Okay. I'll give Carlos a chance. Oh, you messed up, Carlos. I'm sorry. You had a good chance to win. And
Somebody tell him purple in Spanish. No, you can't tell them.
take the last circle, Carlos. Alright. Who wants to go next?
Me.
Somebody who's quiet. Aaliyah. Alright, Aaliyah, you want me to go first or you go first? Alright, go. I'm sorry, Aaliyah. Made a big old mistake. Yeah. You guys should have seen the pattern already.
Yeah, we have to make sure there's only one left to win against him.
Alright, Matthew, do I go first or you go first? I go first. Boom. Matthew. I'm sorry, Matthew.
Matthew. Erase one. Erase three.
Oh.
Matthew, here's one. Here's one. Here's one.
I know what he's going to do.
Alright, go ahead, Matthew.
Either way, you're done. I'm cooked.
He cooked up
Alright.
spaghetti.
Bro, why he doing this like he cooked it?
Because he literally cooked everyone up.
Hi, Astin. Naghintay si Astin at si Mami. Wow. Bye. Birds. Yeah.
How about me?
Treat.
How about me?
Kiss. Oh, shoe. Shoes.
Daddy.
Oh, kiss, kiss daddy. Give daddy a kiss.